So I saw a really cool style that LaDollyVita did, which is she called the abstract braid, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but I'm going to try. So it's kind of like a French rope braid in a way. I'm going to take these sections together, twist them, twist it off to the side, pick up hair on this side. Whoa! Okay, pick up hair on this side, twist it in the same direction. So in that way it is not like a rope braid. Twist, twist, twist. Then we're ready to turn it around, head back the other direction, and pick up hair on this side to add to the twist. Keep twisting the same direction. And then, whoa, why did that undo? Take it back around to the other side, add more hair. And keep twisting the same way. She said this helps her to keep her curl pattern or her wave pattern nicely. So she does this as like preparation for other styles. I don't have any wave pattern or curl pattern in my hair. I wonder what the definition of a braid is. It certainly comes out looking like a braid, and yet the pieces are not passed over each other. I'm going to have to Google that. And I can't remember how she ended it, honestly. So I guess I will put a pin in it here. A couple different kinds of pins. And then I could do like a rope braid bun. Well, yeah, maybe I'll just do a rope braid down because I feel like that would match this nicely. Okay, now that I've looked at it, I see that there's a big gap here, so I kind of have to pull it all up and pin it a little bit. But other than that, it worked pretty well. It's pretty cool. Something a little different.